let me tell you and show you a few things you can do. Well, the multi-wallet app, you can do a lot of things on. Of course, you can load your wallet with a credit card, debit card, bank transfer in multiple currency. You can transfer money across currency, exchange currencies, transfer money to other user within the platform, which is also amazing. Make payments with a virtual card, as I told you, with Apple Pay, etc. Make transfer to a virtual IBAN and set up payees, etc. This is obviously not only on app, it's also a desktop as well, and many, many other functions in there as well. Then, crypto is a part of this, meaning you will be able to have your main, cryptos in there, like BTC, Ethereum, BTC Cash, and many, many more. And of course, this is something that will be growing. You'll be able to buy, sell, transfer, and pay, of course, for services and goods with your crypto through your debit card. You will also be able to buy or pay for crypto in euros through the platform as well. Now, next phase is our trading product. Well, under the MiFID II financial license that this company actually has. The first stage will actually be to buy and sell the shares in the new company. Now, who owns the shares? The C1 rewards holders have exchanged their C1 rewards for shares. So it's actually the members again. This is, of course, connected directly to the e-wallet. The second stage of share trading is listed companies worldwide. Companies like Apple, Google, Amazon, etc., where you actually will even be able to buy and sell fractions of shares as well. Now, all these products I was just telling you about are products with that are creating turnover profit for the company, multi-wallet, right? So this is just to show you the power of these things. Looking at some timelines, the information on the swap and UK to the UK PLC company of shares is during June. Then during that process of June, July, you'll be able to start signing up for your e-wallet. And then the first e-wallet launch will happen 1.0 in July. In August, we will launch and add the crypto part into the wallet. And in September, the first version of the share trading platform will be launched as well. Then constantly new things will be rolled out in this platform, to this platform. So if you look at this today, that's why I obviously want to share this with all of you. I know several of you weren't able to travel to Dubai. I would guess that several of your friends that were in Dubai have already, informed you a lot about this. But this actually means that you have a company set up that is driven by the multi-wallet. And this company is owned 50% by the C1 rewards holders that swap their shares in there. And then constantly, this company will be fed by profits from all our products and services. But also, not only that, I was telling you, 500 euro per active customer on a platform like this is the value. Why? Because of all those services I was just telling you about. Meaning when people are exchanging crypto, as you know, there's a fee. When people are trading, there is a fee. When people are using debit cards, loading, uploading, buyers, send money, there is a fee. There is a fee. There is a fee. Even so in this company, we're talking about millions and millions that today, through the CROWD and all the different exchanges you're using, multi-wallets, Coinbase, Binance, you're paying those fees there. Now you'll be paying it within the multi-wallet, within a company that you actually have a part of in the long run of. So these are very, very exciting things.